fact na you are here, kahit kulang ang gamit, kahit walang pangbaon, I am very proud of our students because you are striving to do better. These leaders that are here in front of us, pwede kayong maging future leaders kamkada nila. Let this be an inspiration to each and every one of you.
Sabi po kasi ng Bible sa Genesis chapter 12, I will bless those who bless you. Bless their work, O God. Bless their family, their organization.
The Alpha Team is a group of firefighters and some civilians who believe in our cause. The cause of our group would be to help each other and to help those who are in need. These school supplies that will be distributed to you came from the family ng Alpha Team. So nag-contribute kami, sa namin para matulungan kayo.